So this is how it comes right here. Unboxing. I'm gonna assemble it and then see how long it takes. Okay, so there it is. Now the only parts that needed to be assembled was those. They're in the bottom. And this one right here, with this knob right there. And then the tires, they came with those clips, which they were like summer hided in the box. So I'm about to... Okay, so the battery is on already. Let's see, thing opens through here, and then so it's important you put this in here. Once you put it in here, you can turn it on. Turn it on. There you go. No, looks like if you tilt it, it turns off, but seems like it works fine. Moves that, and then keeps turning off for some reason. I can shift gears here, so I guess you can go pretty fast. Press. Go. That's the light right there. Yeah, for some reason. Okay, there it is. So it's on, and then the gears right here. So I think it is F4 is probably the fastest one. You press the handle here to go forward. It's not going forward right now. Turn off, looks like it. I don't know, it keeps, it's probably, yeah, turns on and off for some reason. I don't know, but then this one is like, probably not too bad. I don't know how to move it to the side. Oh, right here. My bad. So I have to turn it on again. Nice. Alright, that's it. Okay, so I'm gonna start going.